Hey guys, this is Camera 37, and today we're gonna dissect a worm. What you're gonna need is a scalpel, some kind of probe, and several T-pins. So I got all this stuff from Home Science Tools, including this worm, which I thought they were longer. I misread the label. I thought it was 8 inches instead of 8 centimeters, so yeah. Another thing you're gonna need, or would be nice to have, is this little tray I got from Home Science Tools. This rubber here is really heavy. You can pin the T-pins in here, so you can hold it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the worm. So the first thing we're going to do here is identify the dorsal and the ventral surface of the worm. So it is pretty easy to tell. It's harder on a preserved worm because the color may change. But okay, you see, the black side is the dorsal, and then the lighter colored side is the ventral. Doesn't smell too bad. It smells a little like pickles. Pin the posterior part of the worm right there. And so basically all the organs are going to be from here to here. So you want to avoid damage in that area, including the head. So I'm not going to pin the upper part, the anterior part of the worm. Anterior is the upper part where all the main organs are. Posterior is like the intestines and the digestive tract. And also be careful with your scalpel, it's extremely sharp. Okay, I have the worm open now. So I'm going to start going over some of the anatomy. So, of course, on the very end right here, this is the mouth. So the anterior is up here where all the organs are, and the posterior is down from where the digestive tract is, the intestines. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the internal anatomy. So right here, this little bulb looking structure is called the pharynx. And along right here, this chest cavity, you can see these, hopefully you can see them, yeah, you can see them, these small little rings here. Those are called the cytohearts. So the oxygen, worms have no lungs or gills or anything. So all the oxygen is absorbed through the skin, and this goes into the dorsal blood vessel, which hopefully you can see here. I'm pretty sure that's it. Wait, no, this is the intestine. So you can't see the blood vessel right now, but it runs the length of the body. You can see it through the skin in most places. And oxygen is absorbed into this blood vessel, which goes into the hearts up here, and it's pumped to the organs. And worms' beats per minute for its heart is 12 to 18. So it beats once and then it returns to the body. It returns to the hearts, and it's pumped again. So yeah, right here under the cytohearts which are these sideways tubes. This horizontal tube is the esophagus. And directly under, you hopefully can see these, no, right here, this kind of bluish looking thing. That is called the crop, and that's basically acts as a stomach. And from the crop here, it goes into the gizzard, and the gizzard grinds up the dirt that it ingests. And then that goes into the intestine, which it's a very long intestine because it needs all that time and surface area to get the nutrients out of the dirt. So you can see I split open the intestine here, and you can just see the dirt. Also, these little bulbs that are kind of hard to see. Let me get another T-pin. So all these little, let me pull all these T-pins back. All these little bulbs here, these are called the seminal receptacles, the testes, or testicles. The ovaries, the oviduct, the sperm duct, and basically all those things I can't really identify. This is my first time I've dissected anything, so I kind of damaged it. Worms are both male and female, but obviously they can't reproduce with themselves. They have to find another worm. Both the worms are male and female at the same time. On the clitellum, which is that little tube that looks like a band-aid, you know, which you can't see right now. It's on the back. That might be it right there. Actually, it's right here. It's near these organs. The clitellum release either sperm. Actually, no, two worms combine right in that area, and they both release sperm, so they cross-pollinate each other, kind of like flowers. And then they both are pregnant, and they both throw babies on the inside, so they have male and female reproductive organs. So basically, from the beginning, let me zoom out. From the beginning of the digestive tract, which is sticky, which is right here, right after the gizzard, it is all digested, and it has the most nutrients from here, and then it has the least as it comes out the anus. So it has all that surface area and time and length to digest the nutrients out of the food. So I hope this video helped. I know you probably couldn't see most of the other smaller things. That's just because this is my first time to ever dissect anything, so I had a lot of problems trying to, locate everything and get it open. I had a lot of problems with the skin. So, yeah, I ruptured a lot of wrong things. But I will do this again. I'm going to get another worm. It's already on the way. So hopefully I'll make a part 2 with some more of the stuff I left out. In the next video, hopefully next video, we're going to dissect a sheep heart, which that'll be a lot easier to see. And we're also going to dissect a squid. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And also please comment. I want to know what you think about my new editing and stuff that I've been doing. And let me just say, initially this video is, right now it's almost to 30 minutes. So just tell me how I did on my editing. It'd really help. So thanks for watching. And before we go, let me just say you have to sterilize everything once you're done. So I'm going to get some hydrogen peroxide. I'm not sure exactly how it will work out, but here's some hydrogen peroxide. And put your tools in there, and we'll see if, obviously they'll be clean, but we'll see how that goes. Also make sure you put your T-pins in there. Don't forget about those.